Good morning, guys. I just wanted to show you a quick tutorial on how to turn in things, classwork to Google Classroom. Most of you have got it by now, but some of you just need a little help. So the very first thing you're going to do is go to your period. So we're in Honors Earth third period. You're going to go to classwork. In this case, we're going to be turning in the plate tectonic web quest, view assignment, and you're going to make sure you click this purple button right here that says turn in. Make sure this is the correct document so we can open it up. See our copy of it. In this case, I obviously didn't do the web quest. Make sure everything's there. It's just like you want it to be. And then you turn it in, just like this. If you don't turn it in, it comes up missing on mine, so it's not something that I check as to whether or not you've completed that work. The final step is that you submit it, you turn it in like that. Okay, great. Have a good day, guys. Looking forward to seeing you on either Wednesday or Thursday, depending what class you're in. Thanks.